Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
It's 6:30 in the morning, and it's time for day 5 of the German Advent calendar. But first, I'll show you the 2 that we didn't see of the Lego one as well. So there's this is the 3rd. It's a little bear on a platform. Yep. Well, this one's pretty cool. Whoop. I think it's pretty easy to tell. I'm still waking up at this time of day, but it's like a razor scooter. Yeah. But now we have number 5. So let's see what we got here. Okay. We've got Nissin Soba Japanese curry.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today it's another episode of the German Advent calendar. So, what do we got today? Yep, just like I showed you earlier. Nissin curry, Japanese curry soba. And I got water. I got lights. I got Christmas music. And if you have the necessary means for an economic necessary means, I gotta ask you, please help out if you can. There are some extreme needs currently for the old Ramenerator guy. I'll go into those in a moment, but yeah, my computer is, and I've been saying this for like a couple of years, I think, but I think it's getting close, folks. I think the old battleship is about to meet its maker. That, and I was all excited. I figured out a way to get my keyboard to work right, but if I do that, then I can't use the macros on my Stream Deck. So I think what I'm going to try to do is see if I can change how those macros are set up. Instead of being a text field and you hit one button and bam, it's on there, maybe if I just do it where I type it in, maybe that'll work. But I guess we'll just have to see. But it's a tough go right now. So if you see any double I's or double R's in posts or titles or anything, I won't be mad at you if you let me know, because that's really a big problem. The R key and the I key, and it looks like the S key is going as well. So, stupid keyboard. I really like the keyboard though. It's all full of macros. And then my battery backup had some error yesterday and everything went insane. Alarms were going off. It's got a brand new battery in it. I don't understand. But I think it's all settled down now. But yeah, my technology is really attacking harshly. So if you want to, there you go. If you want to help out, that would be more than appreciated. If you can't, then that's fine too. So today is December 5th. It's the 5th day of the Advent calendar. We got this one going. Just went out, hoofed it around, went down to this area called Lions Park. It's right where you enter Lake Forest Park, which is a town, city, what have you. And yeah, and it's windy. We're getting gusty. Luckily, I didn't get dumped on with rain. Oh, it's windy out, and guess what's going on, folks? My least favorite thing in the universe, the leaf blower guys are out and wasting time, energy, and efficiency. So they'll come up probably in about an hour. They'll go up the stairs that lead to our front door, and they'll bring their leaf blower. And guess what? There are cobwebs that are like right on the floor that have been there for years. And it's like you hear them like walking around. It's like the cobwebs are still there. And all I get out of it is the stench. The violent smell of the exhaust from their leaf blower. That's all we get. They're out there right now blowing leaves. Do they pick them up? No, they blow them into like nooks and crannies wherever they can. Let's just get these leaves out of the way. And then they come back a week later. I had a lady like really go on. Why? We feed our children with the money he makes off of doing that. It's like, yeah, that's great. Can't he do other yard work, ma'am? Person deal while it's windy outside? I don't know. Seriously, an irritation to me. Now we've got Christmas music going on while I talk about my extreme irritated attitude when it comes down to, what do you call it? The air thingy, the noise. There's gotta be better music. This is just horrible. All the music on here is really just going to be horrible, and I really don't know what to do about it. It's Christmas music. If it were music that I could play, like, for example, I don't know, some old stuff on 78 RPM might work. This is not really mixing all that wonderfully. Come on, get it together. Gotta get it together. What fun this is. No, really. Ding, 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 ding music. Hear that? There's the leaf blowers. Steaming mad at dirt. Whatever. No, that's not all mixed up. And they're out there blowing them leaves. I think that'll work. It's ridiculous though, isn't it? They're blowing leaves all over the place, and so will too the wind that accompanies the leaves. It's that nature dealie. Well, I'm gonna have a nice bite of it. Here is the curry soba. It's sweet, it's salty. It's good. I think we could also call this Nama Soba. I've had Nama Soba that's been curry, so that's why I'm saying I don't know if all Nama Soba is curry, but if it is, I would say that's reminiscent of Nama Soba. Anyways, let's do her up nice style. Get you a little teased out here. Tease the noodle. Not like rudely, of course. The noodle's your friend. Okay. So I've got chicken. This is chicken I sauteed up with a little Maggi liquid seasoning. If you've never used it, it comes in the funny bottle. I'll show it to you in a second. But it's like soy sauce, but it's wheat based. But it's good. They make it for like different local regions. I will say, I prefer the European ones. But yeah, see, it comes in this weird little bottle. You may have seen it. They make huge bottles of it too. Oh yeah. I am really tempted just to go back to my normal music. I got new eggs, but I gotta use these old ones first. So some of these are gonna look weird, but I don't know, they've been coming out all right. At least in presentation mode. Egg. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. They're the nice eggs. Anything that says heritage or blue and red, that's usually what I go for because I like that orange. That's worth a couple extra bucks to me to make it look nice. Presentation is key. Scallion. I think this is pretty much how I did the last yakisoba, except I did that one, I think, with chashu. There's that. Now we're gonna do the thing with the mayo. So you just take a Ziploc bag. See how the mayo's in that end, and you got that end. All I'm gonna do is use a pair of scissors and cut the corner off of the other end. And I'm going to try to cut just a little bit of the corner off, not a lot. That might have been too much. And then you've got, and you could do this with anything. I mean, you could do this with like You know, if you want to ice a cake or whatever, then you don't have to like buy piping bags and all that because you just made one. Look. Oh, this one's going a little wild. Well, that works pretty well. Pretty well. And a little sesame seed, I think. What I need to get is some shichimi because I don't have any of that, and I like using shichimi. A little dusting of that would look nice on here. And look. That's a blob of mayo that I gotta clean up. Mayo is a pain in the butt on a, what do you call it? Ceramic cooktop. I don't like that. Anyways. Rotato. Do your stuff. Come on, we gotta have like something better. Well, tomorrow will be the 6th day. I don't know what it's going to be until I open it up, and tomorrow is Saturday. I rarely, if ever, do reviews on Saturdays or Sundays, and I'm going to be doing them all the way up until Christmas Eve. So, yeah, this is different. I kind of like it. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. As I mentioned before, if you can afford to send something and donate, I would really appreciate it. Go over to www.theramenraider.com and check it out. There's a donate link, and we've got a GoFundMe. That works really well. Yeah, that'd be great. Anyway, and to those who have, thank you very much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.